Hello everyone, Happy New Year. And just I've started my session little early to show the performance of the last month. And let's check it. So was the last performance for us. And prior to that, there is no trade. And recently I have started. Once I have explored the strategy and I got fixed, this is a strategy which I'm going to follow. From there, I have started trading. So this is my performance, and this is the profit I have booked. So, yeah, I thought to share with you people, and let's wait for the market to get opened, and then we'll follow our system, achieve a goal today, and enjoy the rest of the day. Market just opened with a positive note on the day one of the year. So there is big gap up happened. So we'll wait for our system. We can add it after 3 minutes. I'm waiting for something close around above 197. So here I have other technical lodges, so many things, but still I want to follow the system. I know it can take it can be this point can be a resistance and it might can get reverse and there are so many things. So other logics when it comes to options, but don't give a space for other thoughts. Just follow the system. So 200 buy. So I might get confused or I might get other thoughts also by seeing the chart. So I'm avoiding it. I know where the stop loss and where the points are going. So just watching the points. High is 199.60. That too, it's a Friday, and Friday is mostly favorable to PE because everyone wants to close their trades and get it settled down. So sometimes, so that too with the new year, so there might be a chance, or we have more privilege or more success ratio compare CE to PE. So normally I used to wait a little more time or a little leverage, or I can extend more 5 points when it comes to PE normally. So we'll see. We have successfully done for the day. I'm pretty confident what I'm doing, and I just want to follow the system. So today we have done 1%, only one trade a day. I'm happy with this. And charges can be around 170 rupees. Still, it is a decent day and it's a first day of the year. I'm very much happy about this, what I have gained for today. And once again, Happy New Year. Just focus, believe in yourself, prepare a system, plan your work, and do it accordingly. So, definitely, you will be in success with your dedication. Thank you. Have a great day.